GrowUp lets you collect payments from your clients right inside the platform. For your business, we normally set up Paystack for you already, so your local payments are handled from day one. And because GrowUp also serves international clients, you have other processors built in too. Under Integrate Payment Gateways, you can see options like Stripe and PayPal. So if you take payments from clients abroad, you can connect those. Stripe, for example, charges a small fee on each transaction. You just connect, log into your account, and it links to GrowUp. Once connected, it shows as live, and you can even turn on Apple Pay. Now that your payment processor is set, you can create products to charge for. Go to the Products tab and create a new product. Let us call this one a course. Say you sell an online course. Add a description and upload a file or image with it. You can add it to a collection and charge tax if you want. It can be a one-time product or recurring billing monthly. We will do one time. Set the price and you can add a compare at price, what you normally charge. So it looks like a deal. If it is a physical product, you can track inventory, so you know how many you have sold. There are more options here, and if it comes with a course, toggle that on, build the course inside GrowUp, and buyers get instant access with a login. We will keep it simple and hit save. Now we have our product. With the product made, you can create an invoice to charge someone for it. Go to Invoices. There are recurring templates for products billed monthly. But since this is one time, we go to Templates, New Template. Here you build the invoice you send so they can pay you. You can add an image, I will skip that. Add an item, and this is where you pull in your products. So I select the course we just made, and it shows the price. Now the client sees the product and the amount. You can change the quantity, say 2, and it doubles the total, but we keep it at 1. Add a note at the bottom for the client, then name the template something like my course invoice and save it. Now the invoice is built and you can send it to a specific lead in your platform. So with the template open, click Add Client and add the lead. It autofills all the information. Click Send and it asks if you want to send the link by email and text or just one. We like to do both email and text. Click Send Invoice and it goes straight to them. All the client has to do is click Pay and they can pay the invoice. You can preview it to see exactly what they will see. A clean page with a pay button where they put in their card details and complete the purchase. Inside the Payments tab, you can also create documents and contracts that people sign. Click Templates and create a new contract template. It opens the contract builder. Name it, then add the elements you want: text, images, a video, even your product list. So you might add your products here and pull in the course item. Maybe you want them to sign first because it is for a set period. At the bottom, drag on a signature field for them to sign. Of course, you would make it look more official with your terms and policies. Then hit save. You can also click use this template so you can reuse it for different clients. When you use it, it opens the same editor, but now you add a recipient, select your lead, and it sends to their email. They add the e-signature, and once signed, both you and the client get a signed copy. That is how contracts work. Then, under orders, you can track your physical products and how many you have sold if you run a store. You can see your subscriptions and who has signed up. These come through your invoices or your websites. You can add checkout forms to your website and funnels, so people pay right there. You can create payment links, simple links you text or email, so people can pay through them. You can see all your transaction history right here. As we showed, you create products in the products tab and add them to invoices and contracts. You can create coupons, so people enter a code before they buy and get a percentage or a fixed amount off. You can change your settings for payments and invoices, your tax information, how much tax to charge, and notifications like when someone abandons their cart. And backend integrations, if you want to offer PayPal alongside Stripe, you connect your PayPal here too. That is everything for the payments tab. I will see you in the next one.